iSelati Cup Mr Ace njengoba ngikhuluma nawe i18 edition njengoba siqeda i17 edition i18 edition iqalile why ngisho so onke ama teams la kadlala ku LFA yasenkomazi ku Promotion League onke a qualify kuso odlala iSelati just kune criteria le system lesisebenzisako le kuthiwa iquota systems sinema streams enkomazi la 25 streams yes na 25 streams na 311 teams kule 311 teams kutofuneka 64 yama teams uma streams akho sina 12 yama teams which means you qualify for 3 teams yangithola Mr Ace it's 1:4 umna 8 u qualify for 2 yama teams yes 1:4 qualify for 2 I criteria yethu isebenza njalo aphuma njalo lama teams la khona ukuthi aza ayodlala ku la 64 njengoba ngisho ngithi njengoba sikhuluma i18 edition nyalo iqalile ngale quota system lesisebenzisako